Hey guys, it's Greg at Underground Graphics. I wanted to give you guys a quick tour of the shop. I realized that since we've been doing these videos, a lot of you don't know where we're at or what our shop is like. I was up here late last night getting some work done, working late. We're gonna do this again today, try to get some work caught up. But anyway, the shop's clean, so I wanted to give you guys a quick tour and see what we're all about. Welcome to Underground Graphics. We've got a 7,000 square foot shop, something we're still shocked about ourselves. We started out in a small garage and you know, just kind of moved up from there. This is our 20th, 21st anniversary. So we've been around for a little while. This, as you can see, is our lobby. As you come in, you'll be greeted by my wife, Michelle, be working the counter, takes orders, answers phones. She's really the boss here. We're gonna go down our hallway here. Of course, we've got clean restrooms for you if you're waiting. Little picture wall of some of our work the past couple of years. If you're also waiting, we have vending machines, some NOS drinks, usually the employees drink those, and our production room. Lots of vinyl, try to keep a good stock. Large format laminator. So you can see we got stuff getting ready to go out. I will be doing some work today, but likely I'm going to try to get out and enjoy some of the weekend. Miguel is our designer, as well as myself. This is my humble abode. And this is where the fun happens. So again, 4,000 square foot in the warehouse, 3,000 in production. We've got a lot of space, do a lot of work. Sometimes we get some pretty cool projects in here. This one is for our friends at Tank Customs. It's also where we do our wraps, PPF, our tent. There's our shop Bronco. A couple bay doors. Our Gladiator. I'm gonna do some custom work on this Bronco for Hennessy. And this is our detail area, ceramic coating, paint correction, and our sad little shipping area. Anyway, I hope you guys got a quick idea of what we do. And yeah, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, anything, give us a call, give us an email. We're usually always here. Thank you.